Hi everyone, welcome to DevOps Bunker. I'm doing a lot of videos around Jenkins and DevOps tools. So please subscribe so that you will get the updates. So let's get into the video. In this video, we are going to learn about Jenkins credentials and types of credentials and overview of all available credentials in Jenkins. So let's start. So if you go to settings, there will be Jenkins credentials section here. Credentials, click on credentials, click on system. So global credentials, and if you click on add credentials, we will be able to see multiple credentials options and authentication options here. So click on this one. So this is the credentials which will help us to authenticate to the third-party tools like GitHub, SonarQube, Docker, or AWS also. So we are going to discuss about one by one. So let's start. First one is username with password. So here we'll provide username and password. It may be sometimes token, pat token, and also it is straight password based on the nature of the tools. If you want to connect to the GitHub, right, then you have to provide the pat token. For example, if you are working with the Nexus, right, then you have to straightly provide the password. There is no token concept in Nexus. The use cases, basic authentication, and we can use it for GitHub, Docker Hub, and Nexus and extra. So next one is SSH username with private key. Fields, we will be able to see username and private key. So before adding the keys here, first we have to generate the SSH keys. Then we will provide the username and private key from which we have generated. Use case, generally this will be used to connect to the servers using SSH, and also Git over SSH means we can connect to the GitHub with help of SSH authentication also, and also Bitbucket or Gerrit, like that. A small request, please subscribe to the channel if you like the content. It really encourages me to make more videos and courses like this. Now coming back to the video. Next one is secret text. Here fields, we'll be able to provide secret value here, and use cases, API tokens and pat tokens. Sometimes you just need to provide the pat token to enable the authentication to the tools. So in that case, this is a best example. Like SonarQube also one of this. You just need to pass the token. There is no need to provide username. So next one is secret file. Here it will allow us to upload one file, secret file. So this is something like when you want to connect to the key stores, kube config or JSON keys. Next one is certificate. Here we will be able to see the fields pkc12 cert file plus password. Use case generally will be used to connect to the databases and the APIs. Next one is also certificate. This is another kind of certificate. So here also we will provide the certificate file and password, because every certificate should contain the password. So we have to provide both to connect to the enable the authentication. So here generally this will be used to connect to the third-party tools with the help of certificates. And also we can install some plugins to enable the credentials here. Multiple options, like for example, if you want to connect to the AWS, right, then you have to install AWS credentials plugin, and if you want to connect to the Docker, then you have to enable the Docker credentials plugin. So once you install that plugin, then you will be able to see them here. These are whatever you are seeing now here, these are default options. That's it guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. See you in the next video. Jai Hind.